Hello, welcome to another episode of Whiteboard videos. We will look at how to break silos and orchestrate data and analytics across your organization. I was recently talking to the chief data officer of a large manufacturing firm. This organization had a strong data engineering and BI reporting practice, and they had recently launched into data science. The CDO mentioned three problems. He said there was suboptimal alignment of business direction and analytics. And he found that the execution of projects was disconnected from the grand data strategy that a management consulting firm had put together for them. And three, the adoption of data and analytics initiatives was suboptimal. This is a common challenge I hear from technology leadership, and I thought I'll record a video on this. Here's what I told the CDO. Most organizations focus on the operational level when it comes to data and analytics, on the kind of projects for users, the skills, tools, and processes for data and analytics teams. There are some organizations that focus at the next level in terms of the strategic programs or collection of projects they have to execute, which is targeting at the business managers or technology managers. There are very few organizations that really work on the leadership and executive level in terms of looking at the organizational strategic direction and how to orchestrate it. This level is where you would be able to address these three challenges. There are several interventions to do that. I'm going to be sharing one tip today, which is to set up a data analytics steering committee. We'll see who should be on it, what they will do, and how this will help you with these challenges. Firstly, you should have executive representation on the committee. Most organizations set it up at the next level, but what they miss is an executive mandate. You should also have business and technology leadership. It's not sufficient to have just the CIOs or CDOs. This committee should have ownership to align business and analytics initiatives, and they should have oversight over translation of data strategy into practice throughout the year. And they would do this by reviewing the ongoing initiatives, approving big ticket ideas, and then validating the ROI from analytics initiatives. They would do this by convening on a monthly or a quarterly basis, and the cross-functional team would be able to validate whether the business benefits are actually being delivered. And they would be able to check the organizational direction periodically with the analytics initiatives and be able to do course corrections. And they would be empowered to approve the budget and also look at projects and call off certain projects if they are no longer aligned or not delivering business benefits. For example, we helped set up the data analytics steering committee for a logistics client. We went through the same process, and they brought together the technology leadership across different teams of the data engineering, BI, and data science, which were housed separately. And they also had leadership from operations, marketing, and other business functions. So in effect, it brought together an organizational 360-degree view. And this acted as a vehicle to share industry best practices and look at how they can catch up with competition. And this brought in a strong ROI focus for every analytics projects running within the organization. For example, one of the projects, we found that it delivered an annual benefit of $1.2 million, and it was productionized across all the warehouses. And more importantly, for all the projects which were taken up, this was institutionalized, and the governance and the processes at the strategic level helped bring that about. So in summary, it's important to balance the strategic view with the tactical operational view. As famed military strategist Sun Tzu said, strategy without tactics is slow and painful, but excessive focus on tactics without a look at strategy is sure to lead to failure. Hope you found this session useful. Do you have a steering committee for data and analytics in your organization? What are the benefits you've gotten from there? Can you share any tips? I'd love to hear. Do share in the comments. Thank you.